Hello everyone. So yes, we are starting our economy. I'll be calling it conquering economy, or this plan will be called as conquering economy. So this will act as an introduction part for this lecture, for this series as well, in particular. So let's make it happen in 2026. Stay and keep working and fight till you achieve your success. So this presentation or this plan, this lecture or this video will be explaining about the plan which we will be working towards the next 45-50 days in particular, so that we complete the entire economy syllabus and make sure we make it for or we make it in 2026. So let me walk through the process of flow. So this is our syllabus in particular for prelims, mains as well. For prelims, it is economic and social development, sustainable development, poverty, inclusion, demography, social sector, initiative, etc. See, that's it. They are not given anything in detail, like whatever it may be, history, planning, GDP, inflation, no nothing. Similarly, Indian economy mains also they have given. We have some Indian economy issues related to planning, government inclusive growth in government budgeting, effects of liberalization, land reforms, infrastructure investment, railways, and agriculture parts as well. So it is given in just a line. Coming on to the mains and prelims as well. Both the syllabus are just given out of the frame or just given one liner of the syllabus. But when we dive deep into it, there is huge syllabus behind it, which we will be entirely decrypting it, learning part by part every word from the syllabus, be it in prelims and mains as well. Like Indian economy and issues relating to planning, we will be dealing with national income accounting, planning, inflation, banking, monetary policies, banking, inclusive growth. Next one is here, inclusive growth. We will be dealing with inclusive growth with respect to social sector, economy, we can call it infra, sustainable development, poverty, unemployment. These are all, we'll be dealing with everything on a point to point lectures along with detailed notes as well. So let me guide through the test actually. See, I have planned in particular four tests. Four tests for test 1 will include Indian economy and issues relating to planning, mobilization of resources, growth, development and employment, inclusive growth and issues rising from it, and government budgeting. So, what I would like to say here is we'll be dealing around this for some 19 days, to be honest, like 19 days, wherein we'll be dealing with these topics entirely and make sure that we are clear from both mains and prelims perspective as well, and we will be able to answer most probably any question given in that part, those parts. So this will be part of the in the mains format and will be like 1.5 hours test for 130 marks. For the next series, land reforms in India, changes industrial policy, infrastructure investment models and stuff. Here again, we will be looking as the same as the test 1, and it will again be in mains format and for 130 marks. However, for the third syllabus, of the test. See, we'll be dealing test 2 for around 20 days, to be honest. Test 2 for 20 days, learning about syllabus for test 20 for around 20 days, and test 3 will be around for a week would do. See here, to prepare for this test, we would have already prepared test 1 and test for notes, and we would have already had notes and learned those topics from for test 1 and test 2. Between test 2 and test 3, we'll be looking into agriculture thing in precise, and at the end of the all lectures for all, we'll be dealing with one full test for mains format, which will be for 250 marks. It will be for 250 marks, and after that we will revise for maybe for 1 or 2 days and go for one prelims format test for 200 marks. See, you should all know here that before going into detail, you should all know that this will act as one of a great plan for you to make success in economy as well, economy with respect to both prelims and mains. So moving on to the features of this plan. See, detailed lectures will be given in the official channel of Learning Through Thalaivar Way, along with few prelims and mains PYQs accompanying the respective topic. This is very important. Prelims and mains PYQs will join in notes as well as in lecture for better understanding of the subjects. So daily answer writing will be a part of the plan, and detailed notes for each part of the syllabus will be sent in to the Telegram channel after completion of each chapter. Majority of the questions of the series will belong to the previous year question, and like as I said, this is not a paid program. This is completely free of cost. So we cannot evaluate everyone's paper as well, including me, because I am also going to be appearing as well, writing as well. So peer-to-peer evaluation is appreciated for aspirants to join and learn together. What the points which I have, you might not have. Your points I might not know. So eventually, when peer-to-peer evaluation works on, we can all make it a grand success of this plan. So this will be the plan schedule. Actually, day 1 to 19 preparing for test 1, 20 to 39 will be working on test 2, 40 and 48 test 3, and finally 49 and 50 for test 4. So it's in your hand, guys, making this plan a grand success or conquering yourself the economy of for UPSC exam or other exams as well. So do support this series, and hope you guys enjoy the series throughout as well. Keep supporting. Thank you.